Thank you so much for tuning in to Guarantee today. It's really fun to do these videos. Today I'm going to show you a 241 bunkhouse. It's made by Sundance. Super floor plan, lightweight trailer, well built. This is one you're going to want to take a look at. You were looking at the Sundance 241 bunkhouse. It's a really fantastic layout. It has an aluminum frame, so you've got a travel trailer that lasts a long time, stays intact. It's got a barrel roof. It's got a large horseshoe dinette area and a very nice master bedroom. You've got closets on each side, and it's a long bed, so you're not on a short RV queen. You're in a bed where if you're 6'2", your feet won't be dangling off. Also has a fireplace and a TV. You've got a great kitchen area. It's got a great big refrigerator, range top oven, a stainless steel sink, lots of cabinetry. It's got a fantastic bathroom in it, and I really like this bathroom. It's got a great shower, and it's got just a nice setup in there. You can get everything that you need, and it'll be cool and comfortable. And then of course you have the bunks. So the bunks are oversized. Both of them feature having a window so you can get some cross ventilation. It also has an outside kitchen that is very nice. Thanks again for coming out to Guarantee. My name is Barbara Balcom, Barbara D at Guarantee. Please give me a call. This Sundance 241 bunkhouse is a very popular model. It's really well made and affordable. So call me. I'm at 541-521-4232.